Here's a simple step-by-step guide to downloading and installing the Visual C++ Redistributable. If you're encountering issues with certain apps, this could be the fix you need, and it's quick and easy. Open your favorite web browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, it doesn't matter. In the search bar, type Visual C++ Redistributable and press Enter. It's crucial to click the official Microsoft website link to ensure you're downloading from a safe, trusted source. On the Microsoft page, scroll down to the list of versions. Look for 2015 to 2022 and select the latest supported option. At the top, you'll see several download options. Choose the x64 version. Most modern computers require this. Once the download finishes, open your File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Locate the installer file and double-click it to start the setup process. The setup screen will pop up. Just agree to the license terms, click Install, and confirm admin permissions if prompted. That's it! The installation will be quick and easy. Afterward, you'll be ready to install and use any apps that require it. If you found this guide useful, feel free to share it, or let me know what other tips you'd like to see. Happy installing!